Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Dental charting. Dental charting is a universal method. In dental charting, we have different methods. We have four main methods. One, universal method. Two, Palmar method. Three, head-up system. Four, Federation Dentaire International System. Universal method. In universal method, oral cavity is divided into four quadrants: upper right, upper left, lower right, and lower left. And each quadrant, upper right quadrant, starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upper left quadrant starts from 9 to 16. Lower left quadrant starts from 17 to 24, and lower right quadrant starts from 25 to 31. Second charting is Palmar method. In Palmar method, again the oral cavity is divided into four quadrants, and each cavity is divided right, left quadrants. Okay, each quadrant is given the numbering from 1 to 8. 3. In 3 we have head-up system. In head-up system, it is similar to Palmar method, but in upper quadrants we are designated by plus sign, whereas lower quadrants are designated by minus sign. Fourth, Federation Dentaire International System. In Federation Dentaire International System, for permanent teeth, there are four quadrants. One upper right quadrant is given 11 to 18, lower upper right quadrant from 11 to 18, upper left quadrant is given numbering from 21 to 28, lower left quadrant is given numbering from 31 to 38, lower right quadrant is given numbering from 48 to 41 to 48. Temporary teeth. For temporary teeth, upper right quadrant is given the numbering from 51 to 58. Upper left quadrant is given numbering from 61 to 68. Lower uh, left quadrant is given numbering from 71 to 78, and lower right quadrant is given numbering from 81 to 88. Fifth, Modified Federation Dentaire International System. In Modified Federation Dentaire International System, we give 1 for right upper, 2 for right left upper, 3 for right lower, 4 for left lower. In the tens, all these are present in tens. For temporary teeth, it is given 5 for right upper, 6 for left upper, 7 for right lower, and 8 for left lower.
thank you and thank you for watching.